To ensure adequate airflow for optimal machine operation, allow a minimum clearance of 50 centimeters on the right side, 20 centimeters on the left side, and 30 centimeters above the machine. Verify the model's voltage and frequency specifications. Ensure connection to a panel equipped with the appropriate circuit breaker. The power supply must be capable of providing at least 5 times the rated current at startup. After connecting the water supply, check carefully for leaks. To prevent water supply problems, install a shut-off valve in the water supply line.